Have you ever felt like your investments were mishandled? Like your online brokerage platform, in this case, Wealthsimple, just wasn't living up to its promises? If so, you might be wondering, can I actually sue Wealthsimple? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the legal waters of suing your investment platform. We'll explore common grounds for lawsuits, the legal process, and what to expect along the way. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to protect your hard-earned money. For those unfamiliar, Wealthsimple is a popular online investment platform known for its user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies. They offer a range of services, from robo-advising to traditional brokerage accounts. But despite their reputation for simplicity, things can sometimes go wrong. Investors may experience losses, encounter technical glitches, or feel misled by marketing materials. So, when does investor frustration cross the line into actionable legal grounds? Let's break down some common scenarios where you might have a legal case against Wealthsimple. Breach of contract. This is arguably the most common ground for lawsuits. If Wealthsimple fails to fulfill its contractual obligations, such as providing the agreed-upon level of service, adhering to investment strategies, or maintaining data security, you may have a claim. Negligence. If Wealthsimple's actions or inactions result in financial losses due to a lack of reasonable care or oversight, you could potentially sue for negligence. This could include situations where they fail to provide adequate risk warnings, misrepresent investment options, or neglect to execute trades correctly. Misrepresentation. If Wealthsimple's marketing materials or communications contain false or misleading information about their services, investment performance, or fees, you may have grounds for a lawsuit based on misrepresentation. Fraud. This is a serious allegation and requires strong evidence. To prove fraud, you need to demonstrate that Wealthsimple intentionally deceived you with the intent to gain an unfair advantage. Disclaimer: I am not a legal professional, and this information should not be considered legal advice. This video is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. If you believe you have a valid claim against Wealthsimple, it's crucial to consult with a qualified securities attorney who can assess your specific situation and advise you on the best course of action. Now, let's talk about the legal process. If you decide to pursue legal action against Wealthsimple, you will generally need to follow these steps. Consult with an attorney. As mentioned earlier, this is the first and most crucial step. A qualified securities attorney will review your case, assess the potential merits, and guide you through the legal process. Demand letter. Your attorney may send a demand letter to Wealthsimple outlining your claims and requesting a settlement. Filing a lawsuit. If negotiations fail, your attorney will file a lawsuit in the appropriate court. Discovery phase. This involves gathering evidence, such as documents, emails, and witness testimonies, from both sides. Motion practice. Both sides may file motions related to various aspects of the case, such as dismissing claims or requesting specific evidence. Trial. If the case cannot be resolved through settlement or summary judgment, it will proceed to trial. Appeal. If either party is dissatisfied with the court's decision, they may have the option to appeal to a higher court. The potential outcomes of a lawsuit against Wealthsimple can vary widely. Some possible outcomes include: settlement. Wealthsimple may agree to settle the case out of court, which could involve paying you a sum of money or providing other forms of compensation. Judgment in your favor. If the court finds in your favor, you may be awarded damages, which can include compensatory damages, to compensate you for your financial losses. Punitive damages, to punish Wealthsimple for their wrongdoing and deter future misconduct. Attorney's fees, to cover the costs of legal representation. Judgment in favor of Wealthsimple. If the court finds in favor of Wealthsimple, you may be responsible for their legal fees. Before you decide to sue Wealthsimple, it's important to weigh the potential risks and considerations. Cost. Lawsuits can be expensive. You'll need to cover attorney's fees, court costs, and other expenses. Time. Lawsuits can be lengthy and time-consuming. It may take years to reach a resolution. Stress. The legal process can be emotionally and mentally draining. Publicity, lawsuits can attract media attention, which may not be desirable for everyone. To minimize the risk of encountering legal issues with your investment platform, read and understand agreements, carefully review all terms and conditions before investing. Monitor your investments, regularly review your investment portfolio, and ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Document everything. Keep records of all communications, transactions, and any concerns you have with your investment platform. Complain formally. If you have a complaint, file a formal complaint with Wealthsimple's customer service department. Seek professional advice. If you believe you have a valid claim, consult with a qualified securities attorney. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.